Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to the exhilarating world of the Audi R8. In this video, I will explain how to drive an Audi R8. To begin your journey, first, ensure your key fob is securely placed in its designated slot. Next, with your foot firmly on the brake pedal, press the prominent red start-stop button located on the steering wheel. You will hear the powerful V10 engine roar to life. Finally, release the electronic parking brake, and you are ready to select your gear and embark on an unforgettable drive. The Audi R8 offers several driving modes to suit any situation. For everyday cruising, select Comfort Mode, which provides a smoother ride and more relaxed engine response. When you desire a more engaging experience, switch to Dynamic Mode. This sharpens the throttle, quickens gear shifts, and firms up the suspension. For the ultimate thrill, Performance Mode optimizes the car for track conditions, offering specific settings for dry, wet, or even snowy surfaces, truly unleashing the R8's full potential. Driving the R8 is an art form, thanks to its mid-engine V10 and 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. This powerhouse can achieve 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 3.1 to 3.7 seconds. To master its performance, use smooth, progressive throttle inputs and precise braking. When cornering, consider a late apex approach and experiment with trail braking to optimize front-end grip. Always be aware of weight transfer, as smooth inputs are key to maintaining stability and maximizing the car's impressive grip. To keep your Audi R8 performing at its peak, regular maintenance is essential. Before each drive, conduct a quick check of your tire pressures and fluid levels. It is recommended to change the engine oil and filters annually and replace brake fluid and pollen filters every 2 years. Spark plugs, air filters, and transmission fluids should be addressed every 4 years. Most importantly, always drive responsibly, respect the car's immense power, and remain vigilant of your surroundings to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.